You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this word, useful word in English but a bit confusing. British English and American English pronunciations are slightly different. In British English in the UK, it is usually pronounced as awl. Awl. In American English, however, in the US, it is usually pronounced as awl. Awl or all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.